Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite DIY face masks. It's amazing. I think you'll love it. Let's get into the video. Okay, starting with a clean bowl, add a little olive oil, then a little honey, then some turmeric powder, mix that all together. Then add some coffee. Mix it all up into a paste. Add a little more coffee. And a little more honey until you get the desired consistency. That looks perfect. Okay, so now that you have your mask made and it's in the consistency of a paste, you're ready to apply on your skin. I usually just use a spoon to get it on there and then scrub it in. If you like coffee, you're gonna think it smells so good. It's super exfoliating, you can just grab it. You're gonna have baby fresh skin after this, you'll literally love it. The olive oil really helps with the stickiness of this, so these clumps, you can add a little bit more olive oil, but then it won't be as thick and it'll be hard to apply. So find your desired thickness. Also, it looks like we made barely any, but it's actually so much. Okay, you just want to kind of scrub it all in. The thickness of the black stuff, you can put it on any spots that you have, it will really help. Just keep scrubbing it into your skin. You probably want to do this for about 10 minutes. Once you've rubbed it in super well, you want to leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes. While you're doing that, you can get green tea bags. I love this because I have really dark circles, not really under my eyes, but like here. So you can just put them on. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Usually I'm laying down, but you know. Okay. Okay, now that you're done and you're ready to take it off, I just get a towel and wet it with warm water. just your skin is so soft, it's incredible. Okay, now your skin is all clean and all soft. It looks amazing. Literally love this. Super easy. I know my shirt is a bit dirty, but if you're doing this at home, you're probably not going to be recording the video, so it'll be a lot less messy. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I want you guys to try it out and tell me what you think. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts on this mask in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!